Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm your host Dr. Vibha Pawar, and today we're gonna do a quick tarot card reading for the month of October 2021 for the sign Sagittarius. So these are general readings, Sagittarians. These may or may not resonate with all of you. However, if they do, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear some feedback from you. Okay, so let's get started. At the end of the video, I'll be also doing a yes or a no question for you. So do stick around till the end. Okay, what do we need to know? What does Sagittarius needs to know? Okay. Okay, let me just also pull one overall reading card or the outcome card for this reading. Okay, the overall outcome card, you've got the World. That's a very nice card. And I'll also pull up one Oracle Energy card to understand what the supporting energies for you for the month of October, Sagittarius. And then we'll quickly get into the deeper messages now. Okay, you've got the woman holding a coin. Lovely. So let's quickly get into the deeper messages now and understand what the overall month of October is going to be for you, Sagittarians. In your recent past, you've got the Four of Pentacles. Now, Four of Pentacles can stand for security, stability, and presence of elemental balance in your life. It suggests being smart. With that, you have and remain on a strict budget for yourself. But with the security of only positive outcomes. So, moving forward will likely require a little tenacity. It also means that you have been putting in some restrictions on yourself. If it is a monetary restrictions, you are trying to save some money for yourself as well in the past. If it relates to your emotional security, then you're trying to restrict yourself and not trying to open up too much with other people. Probably you want to just keep things to yourself, and that is the energy that is reflecting. But the overall spirit message is like you can ease out a little bit. You don't have to uh, feel feel that way that you can't open up in front of people. You can definitely open up in front of people, and there is no harm in going ahead and lifting those financial restrictions that you have put in on yourself as well. It is time to enjoy a little bit of that money that you've been saving yourself for. So also it represents that your ability to do hard work and your dedication will bring in a lot of material success for you. A recent trade or proposition or commercial ventures is adding a deeper significance in your life as well. So in the past energies, Four of Pentacles represents that you have been a little hard on yourself. It is time to let go and ease out a bit. In your current energies, you have got the Ten of Wands and you've got the Four of Swords as well. So, Four of Swords is a card of rest and rejuvenation. It's connecting with your ancestors for seeking answers. So, if you are a spiritual person, it is time for you to meditate and seek insight for all the answers that you're asking for. This is the time that you will get full support from your ancestors or your spirits or higher spirits that you believe in, or the universe that you believe in will be guiding you deeply. However, you need to rest and meditate to get these answers for yourself. And 10 of Wands again is a completion of a very hard cycle. So you probably have gone through or is going through a hardship for sure, and you're burdening yourself with a lot of work that is coming your way. However, this is the end of a cycle, or this is that last phase of a cycle. That this soon will definitely get over, and you will be able to move forward to a better work-life balance, probably a better balanced life that you always wished for yourself, be it emotional balance, be it financial balance, be it your career balance where your creativity or expectations are supposed to get met as well. So 10 of Wands coming into picture is definitely a sign that your cycle is about to end, probably in the month of October, because you've got 210. So definitely there is a cycle that is coming to an end. And also the overall outcome for your reading, Sagittarius, is the World card. So definitely some cycle is coming to an end and the outcome is reflecting over here. We will definitely go to the outcome. Let me just quickly clarify with the 10 of Sword energy what is the clarifying card comes out to be. 10 of Swords. Let's clarify to 10 of Swords. Let's clarify 10 of Swords. Okay. 10 of Swords got clarified with Magician. So definitely a cycle coming to an end, which is going to be very painful. There is a pain that is definitely there, which is inevitable, and you will not be able to control that pain. So don't resist that pain. Let it happen. Let it take its own course, because at the end of this cycle, we've got the Magician card. It's a major arcana card which represents that you will come out of this pain as a victorious person. You will come out of this pain as a person who has learned a lot of skills, who's mastered a lot of skills, and you can be anybody who you want to be at the end of the cycle. So nothing is going to stop you. It's just the journey and the process that you'll have to go through. However, at the end of the road, end of the tunnel, there is definitely a bright light waiting for you. Your intuition power with the Magician cards are going to be high as well. And with the Four of Swords energy, I think you will be able to tap into those intuitions and seek more clarity, seek more answers for your next beginning or the next venture that you want to get into. Your supporting energies or the environment, you've got the Six of Cups. So there is definitely somebody from your past childhood or some old friends that are showing up who would be a supporting, guiding, helping hand for you as well. So don't while you're going through this painful cycle, don't hesitate to go ahead and reach out to your friends. They are definitely going to be around. There's a reason why they are being brought into your life. So go tap into those energies, because there is already that support that is that you seek is given to you. Don't stay in that Four of Pentacles energy where you're restricted and bounding yourself from. Open up a little bit. The emotional support that you seek to take you through this painful cycle is just around the corner, and the overall outcome of this cycle is going to be very positive. So it's just the process. You just have to bear with it for a few more days, and things will fall into place and magically start turning into a different situation altogether, a different positive situation altogether. In your hopes and fear, you've got the Star card again. So Star card, the is a major arcana card. It's a wish fulfillment card. So most of you people are wishing for a better life, for a better solution, better prospects coming your way, and that is definitely going to happen. You will be given all the supporting energies that are there for you, or that are required for you to manifest all these new beginnings for you. It's just that the phase of this month's October phase is a little hard, and you'll have to get it over with. Don't resist that pain. The sooner you give in to that pain, the faster that cycle gets processed and the new beginnings and the new doors open for you as well. Because at the end of this reading or at the end of this journey, there is definitely a better outcome for you. You've got the world card, that's another major arcana card for you. It's a card of completion, so, a very happy ending coming full circle and spiritual growth and insights. That's the overall outcome for this reading. So, October month is going to be full of new experiences. Some of them could be painful, some of them could be insightful as well for you. However, this is a journey, so trust the process. Do not resist the change, because whether you resist it or you want to change it, the change is inevitable, the pain is inevitable, and it is going to happen. So the less that you resist the pain, the more you will give yourself an opportunity to process it in a nice way. And there is always your friends and family support around you to help you through this painful journey as well. Because at the end of this journey, by probably at the end of October, you will be realizing a lot of your wishes, a lot of your desires coming into picture. Things will drastically make a movement or make a change, and you will be able to have that happy ending or the happy feeling that you wanted to always have. This cycle is coming to an end. This is the last lag of the cycle. The last phases are usually always more confusing, more painful. So don't give in. Just trust the universe, trust the higher spirits, or trust in God, and just follow the journey, and it will soon get over, definitely. And it is getting over on a very positive note, so there is nothing for you to worry about. In your oracle energy card, we've got the woman holding a coin. So woman holding a coin could represent female connections in money, health, or value. It may refer to a feminine energy directly connected to a successful endeavor regarding your own finances or health as well. Or this card could also signal a woman who's supporting or assistance regarding these issues. She may also bring in some financial advice for you, or connect with you with someone who does. So look out for a feminine supporting energy that's around you in the month of October, who's gonna be very helpful during the transition of this painful period for you. Now this woman, you could be someone that where you actually work and you meet up. So it could be a person coming in from your business or job point of view, who will bring in these additional support or additional new ways of increasing your finances. So, or it could be one of your friends or love relationship as well, which will come in with a lot of financial support as well. But there is a definitely a feminine energy to look forward to in the month of October, as a support, as a pillar for you to take you through the journey. Because at the end of the road, there is definitely a wish fulfillment, or definitely a happy ending coming over here. There is definitely a full circle of spiritual growth and insights that is happening for you in the month of October. Let's quickly do a yes or a no reading for you, Sagittarius, and let's understand what the answer to your yes or a no question is going to be. If you like, you can pause the video, think about a question, and meditate a little while, and then come back and take the answer. If not, let's just jump into the same. Okay. Okay, we got the Five of Pentacles. So the answer to your question is a definite no. No. Because if you take up on that journey, there's a lot of obstacles that are coming your way, a lot of pain that is coming your way, and probably a lot of bad luck that is coming your way. So definitely a no answer to your yes or a no question. But overall, a very good reading, Sagittarius, very positive reading. Stay positive, stay strong, seek out for additional help. Even where emotional support is just around the corner. If you have liked the reading, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for listening in to me patiently. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. You guys have a happy October. Thank you.